Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to make chilli chapati. This is very simple and tasty recipe. Let's start the recipe. Now heat the pan and add 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil gets heat, add chopped ginger, garlic and green chilli. Stir it well. Add chopped onion when the garlic raw smell goes out. Stir it well. Now the onion color changes into light brown, so I am adding bell peppers into the pan. Mix it well. Add some salt. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon of Garamasala. Mix it completely. Add 2 teaspoon of tomato sauce. I have taken 4 chapati. Cut chapati into pieces like this shape. Mix it completely. To make it crispy, add some oil. Stir it well. Keep it for 5 more minutes. Add some chopped coriander. Now the yummy chilli chapati is ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe our channel and click the bell button. Thank you.